Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another review, on a sponge that's been around for a while now, but I never heard of it, which is kind of weird because, you know, I should know about these things. So if you are interested in knowing about the Super Sponge, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so today, like I said, I have the Super Sponge and I have it in this beautiful teal color. So, you know, I had to whip out my wig because it's just springtime and it's about that time that I pull out my colorful looks and colorful wigs and all that. I am honored to have Super Sponge reach out and let me try out their new and improved sponge because they have had this sponge, but they did some changes, if I'm not mistaken. That's what they did. So yes, I can't wait to try it with you guys here. Of course, I like to try new things and let you guys know what I think about them here on my YouTube channel. So also, I saw that Bretman had these, and it's so funny because I'm like, damn, those sponges look really good. And then Super Sponge reached out like the next day, and I was like, oh my god, it was meant to be. But yeah, I can't wait to try it with you guys here. So I'm gonna talk about it a little bit and then we'll try it out. So it says it's revolutionary silicone infused sponge. It saves 4 times makeup, limits germs, and stays clean. It says 5% of all profits go towards helping dying coral reefs. Oh, that's so cute. So yeah, it's cruelty free, latex free, and I think it's recyclable. That's what it says here. Okay, so the cool thing about this little thing here is that it comes in this case, which is super cool. But this right here is the cleaner. So this is how it looks, and it has these ridges here so that you can clean your sponge when you're done with it. And this has a side that's like velvety, and then this side which is silicone infused, which is super cool because back in the days, I don't know if you've ever tried these silicone sponges that they were like flat. They were really good, like to smoothen out the foundation on the face. It was really, really good. I used it for a while, but you know, you get tired of things. So this one is pretty cool that it actually is the shape of a normal sponge, but it's silicone infused. And yeah, I can't wait to try it. I love the fact that this side is super soft, so when you are blending in the foundation, it's going to be a weird experience, and I cannot wait to try it because I've never tried anything like this because it's actually infused with silicone. So we're gonna try this out. It says it doesn't soak up your foundation like other beauty blenders would, which is true. Like, sometimes I don't like using sponges because I feel like they, you know, it's a waste of foundation and we don't need that. So we're gonna see if that it's really true. And also it is makeup resistant. So you see how this is stained here. Supposedly you won't get that as much in this sponge. So we'll see how that works. I'm gonna go wet my sponge. I wet this thing, and this part up here, the upper part, feels so weird because it feels like, because it's obviously infused with silicone, so it feels kind of like plasticky, but it like bends. It is so freaking weird. And then this part right here is super soft, and it kind of reminds me of the Juno that has that like velvety touch. So this is super cool and very interesting. I love the texture of it. It feels amazing. Also, I wanted to mention that it comes in 3 colors. It comes in teal, like hot pink, and that cute little dark purple, and it is $20. So I'm gonna see if I have a code with them. I will email them because I don't think they gave me a code, but if they did, I will check my emails and I will link it down below just in case you were interested and let you guys know. Of course, I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation ever, and this is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. I'm gonna apply that like I would regularly. I usually apply it in the back of my hands, but I just want to apply it straight to the face because I want to see if it really doesn't soak up the foundation. So I'm just gonna apply it like that all over the face, and then I'm gonna blend it out, make sure my wig doesn't get colored because I always color my wigs when I apply foundation, and then they look all yellow. I'm gonna use this side first, your side first, to start dabbing that or pumping that into the skin, and let's see how this goes. So I love the way that feels on the skin. It's actually super soft, and it is dabbing that into the skin nicely. So smooth, so perfect. Love it. I've already said in the past, this foundation is so good. So, you know, she blends like magic, but I do see that this sponge is actually blending this foundation out really, really nice. I'm gonna use this side now, which is the one infused with silicone. So I do see that it is blending the foundation out, but it's not picking up as much, which is amazing. You see how that blended out so nicely, and it's not picking up a lot of foundation. You see that? Usually it's like this. See how that darkness, it is not as dark. So that's pretty cool. Also notice it ended super quick. So that's another plus, because I hate a foundation brush or a sponge that takes forever to blend, and that actually blended out super quick. I love, love, love the texture of the sponge as well. It's super different. Sometimes what sponges do, it like picks up the foundation, and once you start blending, it's moving the foundation out of place. So I don't see that happening, which is another plus for me. My foundation looks amazing and blended out nicely. I love the fact that it has this smoother side, and then it has this like side that finishes off the foundation. That is just, like I said, the perfect combo. I can't wait to keep using it, honestly. And I'm gonna finish the rest of the face, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. But so far, so good. It blended like a dream. Loving it. So I had so much fun creating this look. I love, 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 love the pastels, because, you know, it's so spring. So when I received this, I'm like, I need to do a pastel look to go with the sponge. So this is what I created, and I love how the foundation feels on the skin with this sponge. I definitely washed it, and I wanted to see if it, you know, washed off completely. The top is completely washed off, but the bottom still has some staining. So I believe they probably were talking about the top that didn't stain like that, because the bottom is still stained a little bit, which is no problem because it's clean. But of course, you know, sponges stay stained all the time, so it's no biggie. It's just that that's one of the things they said, and of course I like to be honest with you guys. And yeah, so it's stained a little bit, but overall I love the sponge. I love the way it feels when you wash it. Like, look, when I squeeze it, the way it, like, I don't know, it's just so weird. It like feels plasticky, like that silicone, you could feel it, but it's still so squishy. Like, it's amazing to me. So yeah, I love the texture of it. I love that it has two sides, so you can work with both sides. I love the fact that one side is softer, so that you can start the blending and then finish it off with the other side. Love that. I said that like a million times in this video already, so yeah, I'm gonna stop it. And yeah, overall, I just love the way my foundation looks on the skin. It blended out perfect, so I give this sponge a 9 out of 10. The way it worked perfectly. I do highly recommend it. Like I said, I will see if I have a discount code to let you guys know, but overall it is a very, very good sponge, and I will continue to use it. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you guys next time.